What's going on, everybody? Thank you for stopping by today. We've got a lot to do around our nursery. We've got to mow, we've got to lay some ground cover out, we got to take some cuttings, we've got to put some insecticide out, and I want to bring all of you along for the ride. This is what day in the nursery that looks like chores. So I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. Be sure to follow us and join our ride and showing you everything to do with our backyard nursery. We'd love to have you here. Thank you so much, and let's get started. Well, first thing is first, we've got these guys that are causing a racket. But my goal today is to mow all of this section of our lawn. We have up to about that magnolia tree. And this area here is where I intend to put the ground cover. Right now, as you can see, we've got all of our plants stacked up in our driveway. Some are in the greenhouse. Many are just on our ledge here. A lot of our plants are scattered all over the place, and the goal today is to get them much more organized, especially as we go into winter. Want them to all have their place, that way next spring everything looks orderly. When people are coming here to buy plants, it's easy to navigate. It's not just plants in the driveway. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on mowing, and we will check back with you in just a minute. Alright guys, we just got the lawn mowed. Now we're going to put out our ground tarp, and this is what we're using. This is a woven ground cover. You can get this on Amazon. You can get it at home supply stores like Home Depot or Lowe's. And essentially it's going to let all the water run through it. It will kill your grass underneath it, but it's going to prevent you from having to deal with weeds. And so to put this down, you'll need your ground cover, obviously. You'll need some of these ground or sod staples. They look like this. If I can get one out of here. They look just like that. And then obviously you'll need something to put them into the ground cover, and we're just going to use a hammer. everybody. So we didn't end up finishing putting all these plants out yesterday, but we're gonna get back to it now. And we're gonna move all of these plants that you see right here over to that new ground cover. And we're gonna go ahead and get started, so come along with us. Alright guys, so we just got all of these plants off of this ledge that you see here and moved over to the ground cover. We're not quite done yet. We still have plenty of other plants that we need to get moved over, but you know, this was just a starting point. Some of these are going to need to stay here because they don't need full sun, and in this spot that is going to receive all day sun. So we had to be selective about what we put over there, but we're happy to get that down. Maybe over some time we'll get a fence around it. We deal with a lot of geese here, and I don't want them to be messing with our plants or, you know, doing anything else around them. But we've got all of these beautiful plants over here and many in the greenhouse. So we're just gonna keep slowly chipping away, moving things as we need to, and hopefully we'll get to some more cutting stuff in the next video, but didn't want to keep y'all here all day. So appreciate you all watching. Thank you so much. Please consider subscribing and hit that like button. It really will help us out. And until next time, this is Lance from Native Roots Nursery, and thank you guys so much.